how can you DIY your own ChatGPT-powered bot for question and answering and information retrieval without any coding required. Let's start. So basically, this is just some one-click self-service creating your own ChatGPT-powered Q&A and information retrieval bot with domain-specific knowledge in any documents. So you can do it just by drag and drop any document into some user interface. You can quickly creating your own powerful AI chatbot in just 1 minute. So here is some repeatable design pattern. I call it embedding, semantic search plus prompt engineering. So that is actually some reusable, shareable design pattern you can apply for any such kind of ChatGPT powered question answerings and information retrieval bot design and development. Let's take a look. So this is the design flow. So firstly, you need to set up your API key provided by your either your free trial or your paid account from the OpenAI. Then the first step is do the data ingestion and pre-processing. Find any PDF document with specific domain knowledge. So there could be many use cases. Okay, and then you can extract and clean up some raw text data from the PDF file, followed by the text chunking, which is divide the whole text into like the several pieces of the chunks. Each chunk contains like a few sentences. So like M sentences. M here is tunable parameter. So also another one is like the overlapping size, which like mean contiguous chunks has like several like overlapping sentences for keeping the context in each chunk. So after you've done that, next step you create your knowledge search database. So you can call OpenAI's embedding API to create an embedding vector per chunk. This is just like a one-off effort. Then at the running time, and you do the semantic search. So for each new user's query, just generate its embedding to compare with all the embedding records in the knowledge database to find which ones are the top and most similar record to this new query. Then you do the prompt engineering. You can augment the input prompt with the actual context information from the semantic search to provide better, more specific input to the generative AI. So we know the good output depends on the good input. So that is very key for generation AI to provide some more specific, good quality response. Finally, completion. You just like call the OpenAI's completion API to get the response to your inquiry. So then finally, I put all together, building some like a quick 3-minute app to convert some data science notebook into an interactive web app. So all is done. So let's take a look at the live demo. Okay, let's do it. So here is the code. You can see I define some tunable parameters like what is the top N, the most similar document record you're going to return to enrich your prop as like additional context info, and also design some like the tunable parameter, like what is the chunk size, what is the chunk overlapping size as well. Okay, then at the top, I also define some utility function. For example, this is get the raw text extracted from the PDF file. This actually gets a list of the sentences from the raw text, then divided all the text file into the a few of the text chunks. So using all these kind of tunable parameters. So then all the remaining is very similar to like what I already done before for the Q&A chatbot. So I'm not going to repeat. So everybody can take a look at the notebook afterwards. Let's do some fun bit, just like to do some live demo, okay, and testing. So just starting our 3-minute app. Okay, so basically, you don't need to know anything about coding. So you just need to drop and drag some PDF file, and you are quickly building your own Q&A bot in just 1 minute. So let me to show you how to do it. Okay, this is just like sample dummy file I put here. Quickly, the building the knowledge search base and is finished as the background. Then you can ask any questions about this. So here I just like say what is in the river and what is in the sky, doing what. Okay, you can see second, a duck is swimming in the river and the eagle is flying in the sky, which trying to hunt a robin bird. Okay, perfect. This is my domain specific knowledge, augmented. So if we look at this one sample, okay, you can see this is just my dummy domain specific document, which contains a lot of specific knowledge about it. Okay, you can just like to supply any domain specific document and to building your own powerful AI chatbot, which capable answer any questions specific to your own domain. Let's take a look at another samples. So here is actually that I download some Microsoft Business Center customer FAQ. So this is a publicly available document. You can also like using any the PDF file, you find it from the public domain and so on. So then okay, let's actually to drop this one as well. Okay, so FAQ. Okay, now all the program is taking in as a background to building the knowledge search basin, do the embedding, proper engineering, and the semantic search. Okay, so it's because it's like a 3 pages PDF document. It's taking a while. So if we look at it's currently just calling the API, okay, and generated all the the embedding vectors for my record, okay. So it will just like now it's finished, okay. So then let's actually to test it. No, what is business center? Okay. Oh, the business center is a hub that provides easy access to licensing member management needed for purchase and so on. Okay, so that's great. Okay, and what is changing about the business center? Okay, now it do the semantic search and found the change including a new dashboard, new homes for key tasks, and more consistent style. Okay, great stuff. Okay, this is just like a quick demo. Our the zero coding DIY self-service your own Q&A bot in 1 minute. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel to keep updated to the latest AI machine learning trends. Download a copy of this slide deck and also the hands-on notebook. You can try by yourself. You can just like to drag and drop any your own specific domain document and to enable to you build any Q&A bot just in the minute. That is quick. Okay, so and also plus many more data science ebook and resources. Thank you. See you next time.